Dun, 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 dun. There once was a cat and mouse. Somebody left the mouse on the street, but there was a name tag and it said Pete. I guess the mouse was named Pete. I must go and say that I thought me and my cat were friends, but now they are. Now it's. Let me tell you this full story, and then you might understand my glory. It's mine to go around, but I'm just walking around. Yeah, but time, I'll show you the glory of. First we and cat will put you on the road. We saw a toad trying to kill a rat, and I covered my cat's eyes and it killed it. I killed the toad, but it ran away, and I let the cat open its eyes. I let him open his eyes. Everybody's gonna have a great time, right? Everybody's going loud, going around, cat and mouse. The mouse is dead now, but the cat doesn't know. She's dragging him around like he's the best friend. Now. Every day, people don't want to pay attention, but because they already know it's dead, yeah. People might think it's just a normal mouse, but they don't know it's dead, not alive. It's just more than any other mouses. The cat was playing with the mouse, playing, as I say. It was behind her, 'cause everybody's going around at my home, but everybody's going. Everybody's looking at the mouse, 'cause everybody's coming out of the house. The cat and mouse, everything's going loud. Everything is going insane. Let me get up, call you on the story, 'cause the mouse was on the road and it just decided to get rid of it by a car, but the cat said he picked it up and came right by it and did not even pay attention to the road and tried to go get it, and he didn't. The toad was trying to eat it, but the cat didn't want to eat it, just wanted to have fun with it. Everybody did. The cat ate the toad and it didn't squeak out. It didn't go ribbit, ribbit. It just went in the stomach. Every lemon, it might be a possibility. Yeah. The mouse's soul is in the air around me, 'cause everybody might to go. Now we're coming out of the house, just talking about the cat and mouse. Everybody's going across my glory. They think I'm just a normal kid, but I'm more than that. Straight A's, yeah. But the cat and mouse, let me get back to that. Let me get back to that, yeah. The cat and mouse favorite house, and it's outside. They get outside the box to build by themselves. But I'm just sitting on my swing, swinging around. I just don't know why, but he thinks the mouse is dead, not dead. People might suffer dread after happened. I told her what's happened. The cat, I told the cat how the mouse was. She didn't listen to me. Yeah, but she didn't listen to me. Didn't listen to me. She didn't listen to me. Yeah, she just walked away. Went down the stairs. And glory. She thinks she has the glory, but she doesn't know I'm the real king. Yeah, but people do this trend. I don't know why. It's just boring. Because everybody's doing the trend. Because I'm saying pizza on one of the stairs. Because everybody's in the air. And people will think breathing air. It is so easy for my cat. It's just hard. Because everything gets stuck in there. She eats grass. Yeah, grass. Real grass. That's real. Real grass. Not just fake. It's not ordinary grass. It's ordinary. Which feature? I don't know, but you thought the mouse was so not dead, but mine's so dead. That's how bad it is. She's trying to chase me up and down. She's trying to chase me like a cat and mouse. Everybody's going up trees. Everybody's running up trees. All around. Yeah, we going up. We going around in a cat and mouse. We running like cat and mouse. We running, trying to not get the cat is trying to scratch me up. Everybody's going up. Everybody thinks it's so good, even though they at least had one sin. People think they're so good, but I have the glory of God. And kids' glory is nothing else. Kids' imagination. We finna live. Everybody's going in. You think it's important. You think it's not important. You think it's not important. Everything is going crazy, but I'm not going crazy. I'm going fast. Yeah, we going fast, yeah. This way you have real vocals. I just freestyle it. But when you freestyle, you create beautiful words compared together. And ever better than ever and ever. Yeah, I'm going. It's the end of the show. Hey, please tune in my channel. Just click the little subscribe button if you like this song. Freestyled right now. I freestyled. I'm sorry if there's any mistakes, but I'm Logan and I'm out.